Have you ever wondered what dish symbolizes wealth and prosperity for the Chinese New Year? Well, it's this one, among many others. Braised abalone with lettuce isn't just delicious, it's packed full of meaning. Abalone, also known as baoyu in Mandarin, symbolizes assurance and surplus. Bao for assurance and yu for surplus. And lettuce, or shengcai, literally means grow wealth. So stick around and I'll show you how to cook this mouth-watering and meaningful dish right at home. Here is what you need for this dish. A can of abalone in sauce. Dried shitake mushrooms. Lettuce. Garlic. Ginger. Goji berries. And some corn flour. First, let's rehydrate the dried mushrooms. Soak the mushrooms in some water. Put a small plate onto the mushrooms to ensure that the whole mushroom is submerged. Let them rehydrate for about 2 hours, or better yet, overnight. After rehydrating the mushrooms, squeeze the mushroom dry, then cut off the stems. Save the mushroom soaking liquid. We will need this liquid later. Now, a bit about the canned abalones. Canned abalones usually come in brine or in sauce. The can of abalone I have here comes packed in sauce, which makes cooking so much easier. There should be about 10 pieces of small abalones in this can. These are Chinese lettuce, or stem lettuce, and this is the traditional choice for this dish. They look like romaine lettuce, and you can in fact use romaine lettuce as a substitute if you cannot find Chinese lettuce. Chinese lettuce are tender yet sturdy. They stay crispy when you lightly blanch them. They are sweet and have a slight bitterness that complements very well the richness and the savouriness of the abalones. Peel off the individual leaves and wash them. Next, roughly chopped up some garlic, and slice some ginger. Also, rehydrate the goji berries. We will also need some cornstarch slurry. Mix some corn flour with some water. Stir till all the corn flour dissolves. To cook, put some water to a boil. Then add in some oil and salt. Put in the lettuce and blanch it for 30 seconds. And only 30 seconds. Fish your lettuce out. Then drain your pan. Make sure you dry your pan completely. Put your pan over a medium heat. When the pan is hot, add in some oil. When the oil is hot, add in the ginger. Fry the ginger till they are fragrant. That's about 30 seconds to a minute. Next, add in the mushrooms. Fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add in the garlic and give it another 30 seconds. Next, add in the liquid from the can. Then, add in enough of the mushroom soaking water to generously cover the mushrooms. If you do not have enough mushroom soaking water, just add regular plain water. Turn up the heat and bring all this to a boil. When the liquid comes to a boil, lower the heat to a simmer. Cover and let this simmer for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, add in the abalones. Season it with light soy sauce, oyster sauce, and Chinese cooking wine. Bring all this back to a boil. Let it boil for about 2 minutes. Then taste and adjust for seasoning. When it is the way you like it to be, remove the abalone. Next, give the cornstarch slurry a stir, as the corn flour would have settled to the bottom of the bowl by now. Put about half the cornstarch slurry into the pan. The sauce should thicken up within a couple of seconds. If the sauce is not thick enough, add more cornstarch slurry. For this dish, the plating is pretty important, and this is where you can get creative. This is how I usually plate this dish. When you have arranged the lettuce, mushrooms, and abalone onto the serving plate, top it with some goji berries. The red color from the goji berries will make this dish pop. Drizzle the sauce onto the ingredients. Do not overdo it and drown all the ingredients in the sauce. And there you have it, braised abalone with lettuce. A dish that's not just a feast for the taste buds, but also a symbol of wealth and prosperity. I'd love to hear from you, so drop me a comment below on what's your go-to Chinese New Year dish. And if you're looking for more tasty recipes, check out these videos right here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.